Have you ever wanted to earn money online? Have you also been looking for money making methods that won't require any skills or experience? Well, look no more, because in today's video, we have the easiest and most reliable methods prepared to help you make money online. Obviously, you don't need any skills for this or experience. Now, we know that making money online can be very confusing, especially if you're a beginner and especially if you don't know anything about the website that we're going to be showing you. But don't even worry about anything like that, because we're going to be showing you one of the most common and very easy to use websites that is going to help you make money. And it's obviously going to be YouTube, but we're going to get into that later. Now, make sure that you watch this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss them, first of all, you're going to have to open the website WP Developer. And to open this, all you need to do is type in wpdeveloper.net, and that is going to take you to here. Now, WP Developer is a WordPress based company. It provides businesses with advanced WordPress products to help them grow. Now, don't you worry though, you're not going to have to learn how to use WordPress or WP Developer or anything like that. Just wait for it, alright? So you're just going to scroll down to the notification X button, and then that button helps users to build credibility and boost their conversion rates by showing real-time sales and engagement notifications. Now, you don't need to know what all this means because you're not going to be directly using it anyway. All you have to do is just select notification X, and if you actually scroll down a bit, you're going to see its benefits or its advantages. And now it's actually used to grab visitors' attention. It's also used to build instant credibility and to increase business growth by more than 20%. And since you're not actually going to be using Notification X, you don't have to care about any of this. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom, right down to where the button company is. Now, underneath that, there is affiliate marketing or affiliation. And as soon as you click on that, it is going to take you to their affiliate page. And ta-da! Look what you have here. You're going to actually earn up to 30% of the affiliate sales. Now, if you do want to boost your earnings, you can actually promote their other services too. But in today's video, this is our only focus, Notification X. And you're going to see how trusted and reliable this website is if you scroll down a little bit more. And as you can read here, it's been in business for 8 years. It has over 25 WordPress products, over 3 million happy customers, and over 24 million downloads. Now, that is a lot. They also have very flexible pricing for everyone and anyone. And if you scroll back up to the top and click on Get Started, you're going to see that the page will be now showing you a registration form that you're going to have to fill up and apply all of the information that's being asked of you to be able to create an account. Now, be careful when you're doing this because it all has to be correct so that you can get accepted. So just write your real name and your email address, and since you are going to be required to verify your email address later. And then in the payment email address, you can write your PayPal email address, and in the website URL you can write anything. The URL of your YouTube account, maybe that could be. The next box is optional, but you may fill it for higher chances of getting accepted. You can write that. You will promote them through like your social media, and finally you're going to click on register after agreeing to the terms of use and privacy policy, and boom, just like that, your account is ready and set to go. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now you do have to click on the affiliate part from the top bar so you can see your very own affiliate ID and your affiliate URL link. You can keep track of all your earnings from the graphs and statistics on the right hand side, and you can finally proceed to payout as soon as you've earned $100. So you're gonna see your special referral link, and as soon as people click on it, they're gonna be redirected to wpdevelopment.net. And you're gonna have to let them get to Notification X, and to be able to do this, you're gonna have to change the URL to wpdeveloper.net/plugin/notification-x. Now you can also go back to the Notification X page, copy that link, then paste it in the URL bar. Now you're gonna have to go and click on Generate Link, and this is the link. This is your personal referral URL link, and you're gonna get the 30% commission from anyone who clicks on this link and then proceeds to buy the monthly package. And our next step is actually very easy. All you have to do is copy the link, and then you're gonna go on YouTube and type in a few keywords in the search bar. For example, there are a lot of them, and actually you don't need to use all of them. In fact, if you use them correctly, and even if you just use one, they are going to work. So how to increase revenue, how to increase sales, easy ways to increase your conversion, how to increase your revenue, best tools to get more revenue, and a lot more. Now you can choose whatever you want, then go on the search bar of YouTube and type any of those. And all you have to do is look for those people who commented under such videos. And these people are actually those who are really interested in tools that you're promoting and would want to buy them. They can pay an increase up to 20% of their profit, which is like a huge increase. Now we'd recommend that you do not choose videos that were posted like a long time ago. Try like choosing videos that are very recent and they're very latest, and maybe up to a year ago is your limit. And we're gonna click on this video, go down to the comment section, and right here you can actually see people who have commented, and these people are actually interested in buying tools that could increase their profits, and they are our target audience and our target market. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now there are a few ways that you can actually go from here. You can either click on the profiles of the people who commented and look at the about section to find out their contact information, and if you actually find their contact information, you can send them an email or a text what WP Developers does and how it works, and then you can share your link if they're interested. But if you don't find any contact information, you can see if they've posted any videos. And if you'll see that they've posted any videos, all you have to do is go down to the information section of the video, look for any attached social media accounts. Many people leave their social media handles on the description box below, so you can use that. But if this also does not work, you can just directly reply to their comment in the original post that we found them in. And we do suggest that you don't paste the link immediately, because YouTube will detect it as a spam and then will delete it. What you can do instead is to start a conversation with them. Tell them about WP Developers and their benefits, and then ask them to provide you with their contact information, and if they're interested, so you can then send the link to them. And this method is actually very slow, but it'll work the same way, and it'll work the more better if you do it through a lot of comments. So let's just go through those steps once again. Get your URL link, copy that link, go to YouTube, search for the keywords that we showed you earlier, then proceed to the comments, reply to those comments, or visit their channels, look for their social medias, their contact information, tell them about wpdeveloper.net, send in your link, and that is basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.